Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install VirtualBox on Linux Mint. So we'll be using the software manager. We can open a software manager here. And once it's done loading, we can just search for VirtualBox. And you have different options here. What we want is the virtualization solution, so this one. So if you click it, this is the VirtualBox we want, and it's showing the version, it's 7.0.16. So we just click on install here, and it's gonna be install, continue, put in our password, authenticate, and it's installing. So I'll go ahead and pause the video. I'll come back once it's done with the installation. So it's done here, and we have the option to launch it. So I'll click on launch. And there you are. We have VirtualBox. And like I said, we can check the version about VirtualBox, and it's 7.0.16. So that's how you can install VirtualBox using the software manager. If you try using the terminal, you might run into dependency issues. So the easiest way is to use the software manager. As you can see, we didn't run into any issues, and we were able to easily install VirtualBox. And let's see if we can search for VirtualBox. And be able to find it, and it opened it. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install VirtualBox on Linux Mint. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.